Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Snapchat, open your profile, then tap the gear to reach settings. Once there, go directly to the privacy area labeled Who Can and Privacy Controls. You want to find the control tied to message and snap retention. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to keep the app on the main account if you use multiple logins, because these controls are account-specific. Otherwise, changes won't apply to the account that receives the replays. Now change the settings. Set Save and Chat to Never, and explicitly turn off any Allow Replay toggle you see. You do this because disabling storage prevents the app from offering replays as a fallback. Once done, clear the app cache from the Settings menu to force immediate state refresh. If the option is nested under Advanced or Additional Settings, expand those menus. Patience here avoids missing the single switch that controls replays. Finish by fully closing Snapchat and restarting it, then send a test snap with a friend to confirm replays are disabled. If replays still appear, log out and log back in. This forces server-side settings to sync. If the problem persists, reinstall the app to clear persistent state. One key troubleshooting tip: if replays continue despite the correct switches, check for secondary accounts or device-level backups. These often reapply old preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.